Hello Edge users! Tired of Microsoft Edge crashing on Windows 10 or 11? I've got 4 quick solutions for you. Press Windows plus X on your keyboard and select the Windows Terminal Admin option from the menu. Now type PowerShell and press Enter. Copy-paste the following command into the PowerShell window and press Enter. Wait until the process is finished. Reboot your computer to apply the changes made and end the Microsoft Edge crashes once and for all. Open Edge, click on the 3-dotted menu from the top right corner and choose Extensions. Now, click on the 3-dotted menu next to every single extension you have to select the Remove button. Launch Microsoft Edge and click on the 3-dotted menu from the top right corner to choose Settings. Type Clear Browsing Data inside the search bar. Then click the Choose What to Clear button next to the Clear Browsing Data Now option. Select Cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files, then click on Clear Now. The Microsoft Edge crashes error should now be removed. Launch Microsoft Edge and press on the 3-dotted menu from the top right corner to choose Settings. Type Reset in the search bar and click on the Restore Settings to their default values option. Lastly, click the Reset button to complete the process and fix the Microsoft Edge crashes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.